You may be asked by some of your female clients about removal of hair around the nipple area. There are various reasons why ladies may get hair here, and one of them may be because of a hereditary condition. It could also be because of a change in medication, and it could also be because there is an underlying health issue such as polycystic ovaries. Be very cautious when you're removing hair from this area, making sure that your wax temperature is like a firm ball at the end of the spatula. So making sure that it's a peelable wax, not a strip wax. Also that the stretch that's applied is there to support the skin on application and removal. This tissue here is very, very soft and liable to skin lift. And also to make sure that the pressure you're using to achieve your stretch is delicate enough for such a tender area. Join me now whilst I demonstrate how to remove the hair safely from around the nipple area using our Outback Organics Opal Peelable.